Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring decentralized finance, or DeFi, and how you can get started earning with it. Whether you're new to the space or curious about its potential, let's break it down step by step. What is DeFi? DeFi is a financial system built on blockchain technology, offering a decentralized alternative to traditional banking. It allows users to lend, borrow, trade, and earn interest without needing a bank or intermediary. Instead, everything is powered by smart contracts and decentralized applications, dApps. How can you earn with DeFi? Here are some beginner-friendly ways to start earning. 1. Staking. With staking, you lock up your cryptocurrency in a network to support its operations, such as validating transactions. In return, you earn rewards, usually in the form of more crypto. For example, staking Ethereum 2.0 can earn you up to 5% APR. 2. Yield farming. This involves providing liquidity to DeFi platforms in exchange for interest or rewards. Platforms like Uniswap or PancakeSwap allow you to deposit crypto into liquidity pools and earn returns based on transaction fees. 3. Lending. DeFi platforms like Aave and Compound let you lend your crypto to others. You earn interest in return, often at rates higher than traditional banks. 4. Liquidity mining. Some platforms offer additional rewards in the form of governance tokens for providing liquidity. These tokens can be traded or held for voting rights on platform decisions. Getting started. 1. Set up a wallet. First, you'll need a crypto wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet to interact with DeFi platforms. Ensure it's secure and backed up. 2. Buy crypto. Purchase cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, ETH, or Binance Coin, BNB, that are commonly used in DeFi. 3. Choose a DeFi platform. Explore popular platforms like Uniswap, Aave, or Curve. Research each platform's features, security, and fees. 4. Start small. Begin with a small investment to understand how DeFi works. Avoid putting in more than you can afford to lose, as the market can be volatile. Key considerations. Risk management. DeFi is still an emerging space, and smart contract vulnerabilities or market fluctuations can lead to losses. Research platforms. Always use trusted and audited DeFi protocols. Stay updated. Keep an eye on new trends and opportunities in the DeFi ecosystem. DeFi offers a world of opportunities for financial growth and freedom. With the right approach and caution, it can be a powerful tool to earn and manage your crypto assets. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.